Gone are the days when travel planning meant hours of research and scrolling endlessly through multiple websites. With the advent of artificial intelligence, arranging vacations has become more efficient and personalized. Here's how AI can be utilized for creating the perfect travel experience. Step 1. Destination discovery. AI-powered platforms can suggest destinations based on user preferences and past travel history. For instance, if someone frequently travels to historical sites, the AI might suggest places like the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu or Rome's Colosseum. This personal touch helps travelers discover destinations they might not have initially considered. Step 2. Itinerary planning. Once the destination is selected, AI can assist in creating a detailed itinerary. By analyzing data on local attractions, events, and user reviews, AI can recommend a schedule of activities that aligns with the traveler's interests and time constraints. It can also suggest alternative plans in case of unforeseen events, ensuring a flexible and stress-free vacation. Step 3. Budgeting and booking. AI can optimize spending by comparing prices from various airlines, hotels, and rental services, helping travelers secure the best deals. It also provides insights into seasonal discounts and offers reminders for flash sales. AI chatbots can facilitate bookings, provide confirmations, and address any queries promptly. Step 4. Personalized experiences. AI can curate personalized vacation experiences by recognizing patterns in traveler behavior and preferences. Whether someone prefers adventure sports or culinary experiences, AI algorithms can tailor the vacation to suit individual tastes. This level of personalization can enhance satisfaction and result in memorable, enriching experiences. Step 5. On-trip assistance. AI can offer real-time support during trips, such as language translations and navigation assistance. Virtual travel assistants can provide information about local culture, safety advisories, and even restaurant recommendations, ensuring travelers have all vital information at their fingertips. Step 6. Post-trip engagement. After the vacation, AI can engage travelers by assisting in organizing photos and suggesting edits. Feedback mechanisms powered by AI can also improve future recommendations, offering a better understanding of user preferences with each trip. In conclusion, AI has revolutionized the way travel is planned, offering a seamless experience from discovery to post-trip engagement. This efficient and personalized approach enables travelers to focus on what truly matters, enjoying the journey and creating lasting memories. Subscribe for more videos.